a beacon of inspiration. Introducing Mr. Ash Mufareh. Mr. Ash Mufareh is a name synonymous with success. He is an entrepreneur, a visionary, and a true inspiration. His journey is a testament to the power of a determined mind. Mr. Mufareh teaches us that anything is possible if you set your mind to it. He shows us that limitations are self-imposed. Mr. Mufareh's story is not one of overnight success. It is a story of perseverance, of unwavering belief, and of an unyielding spirit. He faced challenges head-on, turning obstacles into opportunities. His journey is a beacon of hope for anyone striving to achieve their dreams. Mr. Mufareh's life teaches us valuable lessons. He shows us the importance of hard work and dedication. He emphasizes the power of positive thinking and self-belief. His story is a reminder that we are all capable of achieving greatness. In a world filled with doubt and uncertainty, Mr. Mufareh's story shines brightly. He reminds us that we are the creators of our own destiny. He inspires us to dream big and to never give up on our aspirations. But before we continue, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. Breaking the mold. The uniqueness of Mr. Mufareh's mindset. Mr. Mufareh possesses a unique mindset. He sees the world differently. Where others see limitations, he sees possibilities. He challenges conventional thinking. He is not afraid to take risks. One striking example of his unique thinking is his approach to business. He believes in empowering others. He focuses on creating win-win situations. This philosophy has been the cornerstone of his success. His mindset is not about following the crowd. It's about forging your own path. It's about believing in your vision, even when others doubt you. This unwavering self-belief is what sets him apart. Mr. Mufareh's mindset is contagious. His energy is infectious. When you hear him speak, you can't help but feel inspired. You start to believe in your own potential. You begin to see the world through a lens of possibility. Guiding principles, the cornerstones of success. Mr. Mufareh's success is not accidental. It's the result of following certain principles. These principles are the foundation of his mindset. They guide his actions and shape his decisions. One of his core principles is integrity. He believes in doing the right thing even when it's difficult. He values honesty and transparency in all his dealings. This commitment to ethical behavior has earned him the respect of his peers and followers. Another key principle is perseverance. Mr. Mufareh understands that success is not a straight line. There will be challenges and setbacks. But he teaches us to never give up. He emphasizes the importance of learning from failures and using them as stepping stones. Mr. Mufareh also stresses the importance of gratitude. He believes in appreciating the good things in life. He encourages us to focus on the positive and to be thankful for the opportunities we have. This attitude of gratitude fosters a sense of contentment and fuels his drive to achieve even more. These principles are not just words for Mr. Mufareh. They are a way of life. He embodies them in everything he does. This unwavering commitment to his values is what makes him such an authentic and inspiring figure. Mindset in action, from vision to reality. Mr. Mufareh's mindset is not just theoretical, it's practical and action-oriented. He translates his vision into reality through concrete steps. He sets clear goals and works tirelessly towards them. His journey is filled with examples of turning ideas into reality. He doesn't just dream, he makes things happen. He takes calculated risks and isn't afraid to step outside his comfort zone. This boldness is what allows him to achieve extraordinary results. His success is not just about personal gain. He is passionate about making a difference in the world. He believes in using his platform to empower others and to create positive change. This sense of purpose fuels his ambition and inspires those around him. Mr. Mufareh's story is a powerful reminder that our mindset shapes our reality. When we believe in ourselves and our vision, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. His journey is a testament to the transformative power of a positive and action-oriented mindset. For more information about Ash Mufareh and Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.